I'm recording. Come in. Come here.
¿Qué pasa ahora?
I'm recording my intro. Come here.
¿Ah?
Say your name. What's your name?
Kenneth.
Kenneth. Say hi to the people.
Hi.
This is for my channel, so I'm recording a recipe.
Oh, good job, ¿no? ¿De recipe de qué?
Red chile.
De chile. Está bueno el chile.
Yeah?
Real chile.
Yes, real,
Yeah.
from New Mexico.
Okay, no de New York City.
No, not at all.
Okay, qué bueno.
Sí. Muchas gracias.
Okay.
Bye.
Ella no se troca. Good job.
Thank you. That was Kenneth. So today, as you heard, we're gonna make red chile. Let's check it out.
Ajá. Entra la malandrina a su cocina, comida mexicana menos la tortilla. Qué pesadilla, bajo carbohidrato, comiendo kilo quiero comer cada rato.
So today's recipe is red chile from New Mexico. What they do is they dry the chiles, and you can use the pods, and you can also use the powder. Today we're gonna use the powder because that's what they use in this restaurant. But it will be easier to make it with the pods because the red chile, when you make it with the pods, you can thicken it with the pods. So you don't need to put any additional thickener, so it will be completely keto. So what you do is you, since the red chile is dry, you have to soak it. And then once it's soaked, you put it in the blender, you put garlic. I put oregano, a lot of people don't. Some people use cumin, but oregano is the flavor I like. I put garlic paste, of course, salt, and that's it. I just put that in the blender and I fry it, and so it thickens. But today we're going to make it the way they do it here at Rancho de Chimayó, and so let's go check out the recipe. Oh my gosh, that's also very simple to make. So let's make some enchiladas, right? Like, we're already here. Let's do it. red chili, just like green chili, you can put it on top of everything. Use it for enchiladas, using maybe lettuce instead, or using cabbage, or maybe using ham, you know, stuff like that. So it's you can put it on top of eggs, meat, and it's endless. The possibilities are endless. So what I like to use it for too is just seasoning, like salsa, like flavor, right? So like I make a chicken stock and I put a little bit of cabbage, lime, and so I put a little bit of red chili just to give it a little bit of a kick. So you can also put it on your rice and just flavor. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, like this video, and please share it. And if you make the recipe, tag me on Instagram or Facebook. I would love to see it. Thank you.
Entra la malandrina a su cocina, comida mexicana menos la tortilla. Qué pesadilla, bajo carbohidrato, comiendo kilo quiero comer cada rato. Le pido a la jefa nueva receta, que no tenga polémica y que sea cetogénica. Unos nopales y otros vegetales, si quiero engordar pasen los tamales. Bajar de peso, comiendo mucho queso, consumiendo carne hasta que llegue al hueso. Luego combino huevos y tocino y en vez de chocolate me como un aguacate. I miss potatoes, instead I eat tomatoes. Now I'm reading labels and no longer eating bagels. I changed my whole life and I did it like that. I keep losing weight and I'm eating high fat. And I'm eating high fat.